sigma notation. Let's find these sums. And note the slight difference compared to the previous questions. The first term here won't be 1 anymore. The term will be 0 in this case, and 3 for question number 6. Let's see how that will affect everything. So our first term, well, we're just going to have to plug in the 0. So 2 plus 3 times 0 minus 1. That is our first term. Great. Now what is the second term? Second term, well, will be x equals 1, right? We'll just plug in the 1 here. That will give us the second term. So that is term 2. And we're going to go all the way up to 5 for the x. And the last term will be, I meant to put a 2 here. There we go. It'll be 3 times 5 minus 1. That is the last term. But now that is not term 5, that will be term 6. Why is that? Because remember, I mentioned in other videos already, n will be the top number minus the bottom number plus 1. So 5 plus 1, 6. Great. Now that we have a, and let's work it out actually. A will be just equal to 2 plus 3 times negative 1, 3 times negative 1, negative 3, plus 2, negative 1. So a is just negative 1. What about a6? I just want a1, a and a6, because then you can plug both into the formula, the Sn formula, and figure out the sum. Nice and easy. Okay, so a6, 5 minus 1 is 4, 4 times 3, 12, 12 plus 2, 14. Great, so that will go here, that will go over there, over 14, and n is 6, like we found over here. Great, so 6 over 2 times negative 1 plus 14, 6 over 2 is 3, times 13, because that's negative 1 plus 14. 3 times 13, 39. That's it. So that is the sum of all 6 terms. What about question number 6? Let me pick a different color for it. Pick the blue. Okay, so what is our first term? We're going to plug in 3, right? So that will be our first term. Now, our second term would be just the same, everything the same, but of course a 4. The third term is going to have a 5 for x instead, and so on. But I'm more interested in the last term right now. What is our last term going to be? Of course, we're just going to have to plug in 6 for x. So 6 plus 2 times 6 minus 1. And that is our last term. And what is n in this case? N will be equal to 6 minus 3 plus 1. So we take the top number minus the bottom number, and we add 1. So that will be just 4. So a4 is 6 plus 2 times 6 minus 1. So a, what is a? So 3 minus 1, 2, times 2, 4, plus 6, 10. a4, 6 minus 1, 5, times 2, 10, plus 6, 16. That's an easy one. We could even work it out without the sum formula, but that's good practice, right? So Sn equals n over 2 times a plus an. So S4 will be 4 over 2 times a, which is 10, plus a4, which is 16. So 4 over 2, 2. 10 plus 16 is 26. And 2 times 26, 52. And that's it. We're done.